Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are very good. Yes, so welcome back to your science class. So this is your science textbook, New Science Ahead. All of you open it, okay, and take out your page number 58, and we have started the chapter. Yes, the human body, and then we have learned what are organs, right, and how sense organs perform. Yes, like eyes helps us in seeing the things. Yes, nose help us in spelling, and ears help us in listening. Yes, pleasant and unpleasant sound. Nose helps us in smelling good and bad smell. Yes, and tongue help us in tasting. Yes, and the skin helps us in feeling. Yes, we feel rough, soft, hot, cold, hard, smooth. All these things we can feel through the touch by our skin. Yes, so seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling, these are known as senses, and the organs or the parts of the body that perform these functions are known as sense organs. Or in other words, I can say that the organs that are helping us in knowing these things, they are known as sense organs. Yes, and do you know that eye of an insect is made up of more than 100 small eyes? Yes. Do you remember I have shown you the picture also? Yes. And what about ears? Birds have ears. Yes, they have, but they don't have it in a proper shape, but they have a holes which helps them to hear the things. Yes, and they are having these holes near their eyes, right? And these ears are covered by soft feathers. Yes, and then we have learned about skeletal system. Yes, that we are having 206 bones in our body, and the structure, or we can say the framework of these all bones together is known as skeletal system. Yes, and over this skeletal system our body is covered with muscles, and these muscles make up the muscular system, right? Because without muscular system our body may collapse. Yes, so that is why we need muscular system. In yesterday's class we have come to understand that what is the function of digestive system, or we can say that how important digestive system is. Yes, and what are the organs helps us in making digestive system? Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Yes, so we have learned that when we take food through our mouth, we chew it through our teeth, and then it slowly goes into the food pipe, and from there it goes into the stomach, and then digestive juices mixed with it, and it is just segregating the juices, and after that the remaining food goes into the small intestine, and here also further part of digestion takes place, and after that the remaining part, okay, the remaining part is sent to large intestine, and large intestine sent the waste thing out of the body through anus. Okay, so in this way we can say that all these functions helps us in, yes, helps in the digestion of a body. Yes, and after that we have understood about, or we can say that we have learned about respiratory system. Yes, I told you that if you take a deep breath and then you just give out, you just inhale and then exhale, then what happened to your chest? Your chest expands. Yes, it expands and contracts. Yes, so this is showing us that how respiratory system work, and these also works with other organs like nose, windpipe and lungs. All these three things together make up the respiratory system. Okay, all these things make up the respiratory system, and then they perform it very well. Yes, now today we see, when you put your hand on your chest you can feel something tick. Yes, if you put your right hand on your chest, है ना, आप अपने चेस्ट पर अपने राइट हैंड को रखो और आपको फील होगा ये टिक 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 टिक, बीच में से एक आवाज़ आती है ना, दैट वॉइस comes from, yes, that feeling comes from heart. Yes, it pumps a red liquid called blood to all parts of your body, right? हार्ट का काम क्या होता है? What is the function of our heart? Our heart, yes, it pumps a red liquid called blood to all parts of the body, right? And this blood travels in your body through these, yes, through these tiny tubes, through these special tubes. ये जो special tubes आप देख रहे हैं, these are known as blood vessels. Yes, these are known as blood vessels. It carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body. Okay, what is the function of these blood vessels? They just carry oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body, and it also collects waste from all parts of your body, है ना. एक तो इनका काम क्या होता है? इनका काम होता है ऑक्सीजन और डाइजेस्टेड फूड जो है वो पूरे बॉडी पार्ट्स में क्या करना, यस, पहुँचाना, है ना, टू, right? So the blood travels in your body through special tubes called blood vessels. These are known as blood vessels, right? These tubes are known as blood vessels, right? And what do they carry? It carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body, है ना. ये क्या करते हैं? पूरी बॉडी में हमारे ऑक्सीजन और डाइजेस्टेड फूड को पहुंचाते हैं, right? Then it also collects waste from all the parts of your body. और सारी बॉडी में से जो वेस्ट चीज़ें होती हैं उसको भी कलेक्ट करते हैं. यस, द हार्ट, ना, हार्ट, blood and blood vessels make up our circulatory system. Okay, so this is our heart. Yes, this is our heart, this is blood, and this is blood vessels. So heart, blood and blood vessels together make up the circulatory system, right students? Okay, so now today we will learn and read about one more system. So turn your page number 64. Yes, excretory system. What is excretory system? What will happen if the garbage in your kitchen is not thrown out for several days? Do you ever think, अगर मम्मा ने किचन में जो गार्बेज इकट्ठा किया है, yes, अगर वो मम्मा थ्रो नहीं करती हैं 3-4 days तक, 5 days तक, तो क्या होता है? Yes, we feel really very stinky in kitchen. Yes, हमें बैड स्मेल आना शुरू हो जाती है. Yes, and we feel really very unhappy to smell that. Yes, so there are many things going on inside our body too, है ना. ऐसे ही हमारी बॉडी में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. All these produce waste. उन सब चीज़ों से भी हमारी बॉडी में वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस होता है. The waste has to be thrown out of your body, otherwise you will fall sick. राइट. सो वेस्ट को अगर हमने नहीं निकाला अपनी बॉडी से तो क्या हो जाएगा? हमारी बॉडी जो है, हम जो है वो क्या हो जाएंगे? हम सिक हो जाएंगे. वी मे फॉल सिक. सो डू यू नो दैट यू हैव 2 bean shaped organs? Yes, these 2 bean shaped organs. From inside it looks like this, and from outside it looks like this. Yes, inside and outside. So these 2 kidneys are there that help to keep your blood clean. ये help करती हैं हमारे blood को clean करने में. Yes, the waste that is removed by the kidneys is thrown out of your body as urine. Yes, ये waste जो आपकी body से निकल जाता है, kidneys जो उसको निकालती हैं, that is known as urine. Yes, and your lungs throw out the gas carbon dioxide when you breathe out. और आपके लंग्स क्या करती हैं? आपके लंग्स गैस, कौन सी गैस? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर निकालते हैं. योर स्किन थ्रोज आउट एक्सेस वाटर, सॉल्ट्स एंड सॉल्ट्स एज स्वेट. है ना. तो हमारी बॉडी जो है वो अच्छे से काम करती है, इट वर्क प्रॉपरली, है ना. सो वी just like in our kitchen, in our home, whatever dusty or dirty things are there, we used to keep it in the garbage. Yes, we used to keep them in the garbage. हम उसे कहाँ रखते हैं? हम उसे डस्टबिन में रखते हैं, कूड़े में फेंकते हैं. Yes, just like that our body also needs to clean up every day. It also needs to remove waste from its body. Yes, है ना. हमारी बॉडी में से वो वेस्ट डेली के डेली क्या होना चाहिए? रिमूव होना चाहिए. तो यूरिन हमारी बॉडी से निकल जाता है जो एक्स्ट्रा वेस्ट होता है ना, और एनस के थ्रू भी हमारा वेस्ट निकलता है, यू नो ना, राइट. एंड लंग्स जो हैं वो आपकी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो होती है उसको निकालते हैं. एंड देन योर स्वेट, है ना, जो एक्सेसिव वाटर होता है हमारी बॉडी में, एंड सॉल्ट्स जो होते हैं वो हमारी स्वेटिंग के थ्रू निकल जाते हैं. स्वेट मीन्स यस, स्वेट, पसीना. यस. So we can say that lungs, kidneys and skin make up our excretory system. Okay, so this is known as our excretory system, and lungs, kidneys and skin make up our excretory system. Right, students? Okay, so till now we have learned here today. Okay, and we have understood, I think, excretory system and yes, and circulatory system. Yes, circulatory system and excretory system we have understood today. Now let's do the important questions, exercise based on these two systems. Okay, let's start. Take out your notebooks, everyone. So this is the first question for us. Yes, so name the organ system. You have to guess the name after reading the organs. Okay, the heart, blood and blood vessels form क्या बनाते हैं? Yes, they make circulatory system. Yes, circulatory, circulatory system. Yes, children. Yes, because blood circulates in our whole body. Yes, and blood vessels helps them. Yes, and our heart pumps. Yes, it just converts the deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood. Yes, so they all performed together to an operation. Yes, they together performed one work that is known as circulation of blood in the whole body. So we call them, all these organs together makes our circulatory system. Yes, now see second question. The lungs, kidney and skin makes our. Yes, lungs, kidney and skin क्या बनाते हैं हमारा? Yes, they form excretory system. Yes, excretory system. Okay, so lungs, kidney and skin, they helps us removing the waste of our body. Yes, so they together makes up our excretory system. Okay, now let's do question number 2. Okay, so our next question is now give answer in one word. Okay, so the first point is the skin throws out excess water and salts in form. स्किन जो है हमारा थ्रो करती है, क्या थ्रो करती है? एक्सेस वाटर एंड सॉल्ट्स. किस फॉर्म में? Yes, in the form of sweat. Yes, SWEAT, sweat. Sweat means yes, पसीना, है ना. Sweat, sweating होती है ना हमें. Yes, most of the few people or most of the people sweats a lot. Yes, sweat a lot, है ना. और कुछ लोगों को कुछ ज़्यादा ही पसीना आता है, कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्वेटिंग होती है, राइट. Our second point is the waste removed by kidney is thrown out of body as. जो किडनी हमारी बॉडी से रिमूव करती है वेस्ट को, है ना, जिस वेस्ट को रिमूव करती है, दैट वेस्ट इज नोन एज, यस, व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट एज यूरिन. Okay, what do we call it? We call it as urine. Now third point is bean shaped organ that helps in cleaning the blood. Bean shaped organ you have seen? Yes. 1 minute, let me make. Yes, they were looking like this, no? Yes, some inside from it is looking like this. So this is a bean shaped organ. What do we call it? We call it as kidneys. Yes, kidneys, right? So the first answer is sweat. The skin throws out excess sweat, water and salts in form of sweat. Yes, the waste removed by kidney is thrown out of body as urine. Yes, bean shaped organ that helps in cleaning the blood, that is known as kidneys. Yes, that is known as kidneys. Now let's move to next question. Now next question is pumping organ of our body. So organ that pumps the blood, yes, we call it as heart. Yes, H-E-A-R-T, heart. The blood travels in our body through special tubes. Yes, blood. So blood जिन tubes से क्या होता है, ट्रैवल करता है हमारी पूरी बॉडी में. व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? यस, वी कॉल देम एज ब्लड वेसल्स. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? यस, वी कॉल देम एज ब्लड वेसल्स. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द पंपिंग ऑर्गन ऑफ आवर बॉडी? यस, हार्ट. एंड द ब्लड ट्रेवल्स इन आवर बॉडी थ्रू स्पेशल ट्यूब्स. They are known as, yes, they are known as blood vessels. Right students? Okay, so I hope that you are very much clear about both the systems of today. Yes, circulatory system and excretory system. Yes, and along with it you are able to do these exercise based on them. Yes, so kindly do it in your notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and start learning also. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.